Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your applications aren't working or responding on your Google Chromecast, and this is very easy to do. So just on the home screen here, if we go on over to Settings and select this, and then go on down to Applications, go to the right, and then go to See All Applications. Otherwise, you might see them under Recently Opened Apps. But let's go to See All Apps and locate the app we're having a problem with. So most of the time, I do have problems with YouTube. Then you want to go to this and go to Force Stop right here. And this says if you force stop an app, it may misbehave. So let's go to OK. Then go to where it says Clear Cache and select this. Now don't go to the option right above it, Clear Data. This will sign you out of your account. You want to go to Clear Cache right here and then go to Open the application. And this should fix most of the issues that you are having with the application. Now you could always go back to it and you could try uninstalling it and then reinstalling it back to your TV by simply going to uninstall and then locate it back under the App Store. Otherwise, go ahead and completely turn off your device, unplug it from the wall and then plug it back in. That should fix it as well. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.